Hi there. I would like to show you today how you can upload your own custom video thumbnail. So as you know, whenever you create a video, the system will also create a video thumbnail. But in this case, we'll find out that we can actually upload ours. So let me show you what I have here. As you can see, I'm on my Gmail account and here's my signature. And I have this picture here, which I'll use for the purpose of the example, but you can actually upload your own video, your own picture, or you can simply just copy and paste the one that you like. You can upload it using this button here, insert photo. So what we want to do is go back to our Sendspark library, select here copy link. We need to click here copy link on the video that we're actually sending to our prospects or the person that you would like to send it to, of course. And once we have that copied, we simply need to get back to our picture, fully selected just like this, and click here insert link. So we're going to just paste it right there, click OK, and let me just send that to myself so we can test it. Let's just put test. Okay, let me hide this. So basically what we're doing is creating or making this picture as a hyperlink. So whenever the other person will click on that picture, it will redirect them to the video that we shared with them. So it is actually a great idea whenever we're making a signature for our emails. So let me just click on send. Let me go back to inbox. That's me. And we're testing it right now. Okay. So as you can see, it just pull up right away. Okay, so hopefully this was great for you and you'll find it very helpful. And please let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye.